If you're a man who wants to approach a younger woman but doesn't know how, we'll look for signs that she's waiting for you. Trust me, this information will change the way you date forever. So let's look at these clues and turn those missed chances into successful connections. She seems to be getting upset at you lately. Though illogical, her recent anger may be due to waiting for you. Studies show that younger women meeting older men often think that their partner's wisdom and experience will help the relationship move forward, so they don't see her anger as a warning sign. Think of it as a hidden intention. She hints in a sneaky way. You may have wondered if her friendly chatter about things you like or future plans is more than small talk. According to psychologists, when younger women are interested in older men, they often drop hints about personal ideas or future past skills. This is a fantastic chance for you to step up and figure out what these subtle clues mean. She shows more of herself physically. Greater physical touching your arm while laughing or walking past you more often than necessary can carry deeper meanings. Experts agree that this behavior is often a sign that she wants you to take the lead in a relationship between an older man and a younger woman. Make sure you pay attention to these subtle body language cues. When she says goodbye, she stays longer. If she holds on to that hug a little longer, or finds reasons to stay with you a little longer before leaving, she might be giving you a message. Studies show that when a younger woman delays a departure, it's often a sign for older men that she wants you to make the first move. Imagine this. As your crush deciphers the subtle cues, she fixes her gaze on you. Imagine that you glance over and see her eyes fixed on you. It's common for younger women interested in older men to make frequent eye contact. She's not just admiring your seasoned charm. She's subtly telling you she's waiting for you to make the first move. Her stare isn't just a sign of interest, it's a sign of wonder. Have you ever observed how her eyelashes flutter as she converses with you? It's not just a charming habit. Researchers have discovered that batting your eyes is often a subconscious behavior. Things women do when they like someone older, guys find attractive. Body language experts say that if you can read this sign from younger women, you can take the lead. She twirls her hair now, means that she might be twirling a piece of her hair while talking to you directly. If she plays with her hair, it could mean she's waiting for you to make things more serious. The subsequent occasion that you observe her twirling those curls may serve as your cue to initiate contact. She smiles at you. Does she smile every time she sees you? Studies have shown that smiling is often a sign of interest and attraction. Younger women. Older men often smile at you, drawn to your jokes and eagerly anticipating your next move. Her radiant smiles are more than just a sign of friendliness. They're her way of inviting you in. She laughs at your jokes, even the ones that aren't very funny. Have you noticed that? From what psychologists say, as a universal sign of interest and connection, laughter is a wonderful way for younger women to show interest in older guys. The reason your partner laughs so much at your jokes is likely not solely due to your humor. She might be advising you to improve your performance. She asks you why you don't do something, like go out more or participate in certain activities. This is more than just idle chatter. She's curious and wants you to be a part of her world. It's a clear indication that she's interested in an older man like you, and it could be an invitation for you to take the lead. She tries to make a move. Relationship experts suggest that she may make subtle moves, such as inviting you to events or suggesting plans for the two of you. For older guys, this is her way of letting you know she feels positive around you and is waiting for you to feel the same way. This could indicate a desire to intensify the relationship. She pulls you closer. Have you ever noticed that she does this while you're talking? Younger women use this closeness more than just as a physical act. It's also a psychological trick to get what they want. If she starts to move closer to you, remember that it's not just about the conversation. It could be a sign that you should take the relationship to the next level. She wants to know more about you personally. Does she consistently show interest in your personal life, your past experiences, and your thoughts? That's because she wants more than just surface-level interactions. Psychologists emphasize the importance of personal curiosity in older men's love relationships. Day to younger women. Such interests could indicate that she's interested in you and waiting for you to advance the relationship. She gives you compliments, and who doesn't like a positive compliment? If she does it often, it may be more than friendly flattery. Studies have shown that compliments lead to deeper connections. So if a younger woman is constantly praising your qualities, older men like you may take this as a sign that she wants you to take the next step. She doesn't pay attention to other guys. Even in a crowded room, her attention is only on you. Psychologists agree that this is a strong sign of romantic interest. Younger women often show their interest in older men by ignoring other potential suitors. She's probably waiting for you to initiate if you're her only man. She adds you to her social media accounts. Remember when she asked to connect with you on Instagram or Facebook? That's a modern sign of interest. For younger women, social media ads are a modern way to show interest. If she is interested in joining your digital world, she may be encouraging you, an older man, to take the next step by sitting or standing closer to you. Have you noticed that she always picks the spot next to you, even when there are a lot of people around? That's not a coincidence. Dear sir or madam, experts say that being close can be a sign of love, especially in the relationship between older men and younger women. If she consistently participates in your conversations and rarely glances at her phone, she is giving you her full attention. Taking action may be necessary if she's always trying to catch up. The experts all agreed that giving an older man your full attention is a strong sign of interest. Style psychologists say that people often dress up to impress someone they're interested in. If a younger woman starts wearing nicer clothes or more makeup around you, she might be trying to catch the eye of the older man you admire. She acts playful with you. Do you notice that her energy rises when you're together? Studies show that younger women act more playful around older men they like, in the hopes that their lively spirit will rub off on them and lead to a closer connection. She sets the mood. Have you ever noticed how she gently guides your conversations or outings? This could be her way of making it simple for both of you to make a move. When a younger woman sets the tone, it's usually because she wants to make an older man feel comfortable enough to move things forward. She tells you what she finds attractive about you. Has she openly complimented your qualities or told you what she finds attractive about you? This could be more than just flattery. Relationship experts say that when younger women are open about their feelings for older men, it's often a sign that they want a deeper relationship. She wants to spice things up with you. Have you ever noticed that she's trying to make your interactions more exciting and spontaneous? This is a common way for younger women to keep an older man interested. So if she's trying to spice things up, she might be telling you to take the relationship to the next level. Okay, guys, now you know when she wants you to make a move. Ready for the next step? Check out what makes an older guy sexy toward a younger woman, or learn how to make a younger woman chase you. Either way, it's a step toward becoming a dating pro. And before you watch the next video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.